What's going on, guys? Thank you for clicking. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Now let's begin with our tutorial. Now I started by cutting about 20 inches of fish line. Then I'm gonna pick 4 beads. Now the last one that I picked, I will cross it with the other end of the fish line, just as the beginning of matting is done. So this is what I should get after crossing it. Okay, so I will use the other end to pick one and the other side to also pick one. Then I'll pick another bead and cross it with the other side. I'll repeat this step, repeat it again, pick another and cross it. I'll repeat this step again. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this step until I get 7 on the sides and 8 in the middle. Okay, from here I'll pass my fish line backwards through the immediate first side bead. Then through the next or the immediate middle bead. I'll do the same for the other side of the fish line by passing it through the first immediate side bead, then I'll pass it through the middle or the very first middle bead from where the fish line was. Now I'm going to repeat what I did. Okay. So this is what we have now. I will pass my fish line through the next side bead. Then I will pick 3 beads. After picking the 3 beads, I'll pass my fish line through that same bead of which the fish line is coming from. I'll pass it through from behind that same bead. Okay. From where the fish line is, I'll pass the fish line through the immediate side bead, then through the top bead in the middle. Then I'll pick another 3 and pass it through the top bead from behind. Then I'll pass it through the immediate side and through the top bead in the middle. I'm going to repeat the same step for the other side of the fish line by passing it through the next side bead. Then I pick 3 beads. Okay, then from behind I pass my fish line through that bead where the fish line came from. After that, I'll pass my fish line through the next or immediate side bead, then through the top bead in the middle. Alright, I'll pick another 3 and pass it through the top bead from behind. Then through the first immediate side bead and through the top bead in the middle. Okay, so after this being done, I'm going to tie it by passing my fish line through the hole in the mat, then create a loop, then take out my fish line and press it firmly. I repeat it to secure it more firmly. Then cut off the excess. I'll tie the other side as well. Okay, so this is also being tied. Okay, this is done, so I'm cutting off the excess. Now I'm going to make another cross like this, or the half of it. So this is the half. So to make it a whole, I'll place each on the, I'll put them together. I'll put them together, then cut about 15 inches of fish line. That I pass it through the hole of one of the cross made and tie. With the help of the plier, I'm trying to make it firmly as I tie it. So to finish, I cut off the excess. So putting this together, crossing it together. I'm passing my fish line through the base of the cross. Then I pass it through the immediate side bead. Okay, so at this point we'll be going about alternating. So I'll pick one bead and pass my fish line through the next alternative bead, or the immediate alternative bead. I'll pick another, and from where the fish line is right now, I'll pass it through the next alternative bead. I'm just hoping you understand what I'm trying to say. If you don't understand, if you watch the video carefully, you get to know what I'm trying to put across. So where the fish line is right now, you pick another bead, and through the next or the immediate alternative bead, I'm joining them together. That is why I place each other on top of. That's why I put them together, basically. If you watch what I'm doing, you surely understand or get a clear picture. So you pick one bead, then pass it through the immediate alternative bead. You pick one bead, then you pass it through the other bead at the other part, which alternates with the part the fish line is. Alternatives. Alternative angles. Sorry, this is not angle, so after picking it, the immediate alternative bead. This is what you're going to do in order to be able to join them or put them together as a whole cross. The alternative, you pick one, then through the alternative bead, if you don't understand what I'm saying, carefully watch the video and you get a clear picture of what I'm saying. So after picking one bead, you pass through the next or the immediate alternative bead from the other side of your cross, the other half of your cross. Definitely, this is not a cross that Jesus Christ was put on, my fellow Christians. So be patient and let's do this peacefully. This is almost done. You pick one, you pass through the alternative bead until you reach your final destination. Guys, if you're new to this channel, I say welcome. Please subscribe, like this video, comment if you had any challenge whilst doing it, share to your friends and family so that we keep on sharing the love. So we're almost done with joining those two half. It's like they are getting married. We are putting them together as husband and wife. So they will be one thing. One whole. Almost done. The alternative. So it's left with the last alternative bead to pass through. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Excellent if you have worked successfully with me up to this time. So if you've been able to reach it, you're going to tie it to secure it. So you pass your fish line through the hole and tie it up. I cut off the excess after tying. This is the final results. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.